Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel today. If you're just tuning into my channel for the very first time, virtual hug, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Mikey. Thank you guys so much for being here today, and to all my returning subscribers, I really do appreciate you guys, the love and the show of support always on this channel. Without wasting so much of your time today, I just want to drop my 2 cents on something that's going on and circulating around social media. Apparently, when I made my last video, someone drew my attention to that video. It's been going around on TikTok and on Instagram, and I was just like, I think I need to come talk about this here today so you guys can know about this. So it's just my 2 cents. If you guys haven't seen the last video that I did make about what kids are consuming online and on social media, I'll say you should go reference that video. I'm gonna put the link somewhere so you guys can go check it out and watch it and understand what I'm saying. So it's just a continuous rant from that video, I should say, per se. Apparently boy, is hard though. English is hard sometimes. So apparently there's this video that's circulating around now on social media of 2 high school kids. For those of you who don't know what high school is, secondary school kids, of the same gender, girls, and then one proposed to the other, and they're still in high school. Hey, now guys, first of all, I don't have anything wrong with people being in love, but what I just have to say is they're still kids. I don't care what anybody wants to say. They are still kids. Even as adults fall in and fall out of love often, all the time. How much more of these children who know nothing, whose parents should be controlling them? Their teachers should be in control, but no. All these kids are thinking about is how to get married in high school, and even same-sex marriages being encouraged in schools. I don't know. I'm not against all those things. I'm just saying, if you want to do your thing silently. If you're of the same sex, I really don't care. You do what you want to do silently, but what is not right is not right. That's just the truth. Why should a child in high school be thinking about getting married? It's just, you have all the only business you have to do as a kid right now is to be thinking about how you're going to pass your WAEC, GCE, what else do they call these things abroad as well? You should be thinking about how you pass your GED and not over here proposing to someone. What do you know about love? What do these kids know about love in the first place that they're proposing to each other? And then we had teachers out there applauding them, clapping. I'm going to put a clips of what the video looks like. I'm going to put it somewhere there for you guys to see. And then other students too were like, oh. To me, that's just absolutely not acceptable. Like, it is not acceptable. I couldn't, even while in university, I had no guts to tell my parents I did have a boyfriend. How much more kids that are in school, who are still paying your school fees, and then you have the rights to go to school and be proposing to someone else. Please, quick question. If you guys get married now, where do you want to stay? Where do you guys want to live? Who's going to fend for you? So me, I'm taking care of my child. I'm taking care of the child's well-being with their partner or their, I don't know. See, I just kind of feel like we've lost it as parents these days. Parents have totally lost it. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he goes, he will not depart from it. I mean, parents, let's call these things to order. I don't know how we see these things, and these things look right to us. As in, it's not just right to me. Like, it's just not right to me. Maybe it's the kind of society I grew up in. I don't know which country those students are in. I don't know if they're in South Africa, if they're in Nigeria, if they're in, I don't know where they are, but I just kind of feel it's not right. It's something that we as parents need to call out. This child is proposing marriage, like you're proposing and get married to me in secondary school. Okay, let's say you guys decide to get married tomorrow. You go and be a burden in your parents' house. Maybe your parents don't really care, but you're being a burden. Take it or leave it. Like, that's just an additional human being coming to live with you, and your parents having to work their ass off to fend for this additional human being that has been added to the home. It just doesn't sound right to me. That is why, again, I'm going to reiterate, we need to be very careful with what our kids consume online, because other kids are online as well. They are seeing these things and it's meaning nothing to them. Before you know it, it becomes a norm, just the way things that are not right are becoming a norm in the society today. I mean, let's just try and, talk to our kids more. Let them know when is the right time to do whatever things that it is that they want to do. Like if you want to propose marriage, this is the right time for you to do it, not while you're in high school, not while you're in secondary school. To me, it just doesn't sound right. It doesn't make sense. All right, guys, I just wanted to rant. Please, what do you guys think about this video? Is it right? Is it right? I don't know. Just let me know in the comment section, guys.